that goes, that's nowhere fun, so we gotta cut back down and out. It was like the perfect day. I mean, I said the last time I was here was perfect, but today's just that much better because I don't know, it wasn't, I don't know, it's sick. Got a little overcast, little clouds, you know, blocking the sun, because you don't want any sun, man. I'd rather ride in the, whoa. I'd rather ride in the clouds. You guys like riding in the clouds? Smash that like button. Smash that like button for riding in the clouds. Overcast days are the best days. Let's turn this idle up a little bit. Hiya! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Barely outside. Where'd he go? There he is. Always gotta be cautious, no matter what. Even if it's like, you know, some might say, yeah, it's an easy hill. Hang on. Well, I took it like how I took it. And yeah. Those always sniffles. On Instagram I used to use the hashtag Sniffles McGee, because all I do is sniffle and whistle. I notice I have a bad habit when I'm going downhill to like give gas, dude. You notice I'm going downhill, my bike starts to rev. I'm like giving a little throttle, I don't know. It's a habit. Hello! We're gonna take a little pit stop here. Peace.